hot wash dish. Torugli cleaning dish en cutlery essentiel for bot esthétique, en hygiène. Inti hot you'll learn no to wash dish until talu click a star. Wash bien. Prépare. Wearing rubber glove, all to gi optional, il recommended when washing dish. Thema be specially helpful if you have dry on the notice qu'en condition. If you're wearing a long sleeve, roll them up or put them under the glove. Appronto, are optional. Wearing rubber glove will protect your hand from germ. Also, it will prevent your skin from drying out due to the constant scrubbing and exposure to water. Scrap the food from the dish. Dumpalt large piece of food into the compost bin or disposal. It will prevent your brush bar oblique sponge and drain from becoming clogged. Filtre 5 with hot water. Set the temperature high you can tolerate it without burning yourself. Tote water, to BTI sanitizing and grease cutting property will. If the water is scalding, use rubber glove to protect your hand. On set 5 if add the dish liquid. Soak the big item, such a plate, mug, and item caked with food, in hot water at bottom of the sink. Later on, you will be able to clean them with ease. Start with the silverware. Since it gain tot mout, it need cleanest, hottest water possible. Plonge the dirty item underneath the hot water while vigorously scrubbing it. Remove it from the water before examining it. If muck remain, scrub it with a sponge until it clean. If the muck is very difficult to get out, fill it with water. Then, use your finger, no your knife, to rub muck off. If it doesn't work, use iron wool. Don't use the back of a sponge because that will cause morsel of food to stick to it. Wash out item ta come in contact with mout, such a cup en glace. They will be able to benefit from the hot, clean water. Regularly change your water. It will clear away en germ maintain a hygienic environment for washing dish. Be sure to add more dish liquid every in your filtre 5. Save the pot en for last. Since they are large and generally contain more residue, let them soak first. If anything or burin or cooked in a pot or casserole dish, add a little extra soap and water into it before allowing it to soak. Dry your dish. Let them out on a rack to drain before drying them with a clean, dry towel. Check your dish to make sure they are clean. When clean, there should be no visible matte or fall of grease. Run a wet dish to ensure it offers some resistance. If your finger slid over it attempt to fluidly and without cooking, there may be some grease remaining. You might consider washing it item. Rinse out your brush, sponge or rag. Allow to dry. It is recommended to use to release your equipment very so often by using boiling water or bleach. Likewise, throw it into the laundry or automatic dishwasher. When a sponge or brush start to smell unpleasant and smell can be removed by rinsing, throw it away. Turn your glove inside out to dry. Peel them off so they are mostly inside out. Grab it glove wrist. Blow into neck and shock it off like a balloon. Give it a squish till the finger pop inside out. When inside are dry, reverse it. Use the can dry till they are ready to go for the next wash. Use the dishwasher. La du pure dishwasher. All to washing dish into 5 be en mab fast for some, you may want to keep your hand clean and soft. Fill your dishwasher logically. All dishwashers are different, and every person has a different method of loading yourself. Establish a routine, and stick with it for most lad. There are some things to consider. How do your dishwasher operate? Some have a set of iron blasting water up from the bottom, while other have an arm for the low shelf blasting up, and an arm on the up shelf blasting down. Many dishwashers have a variety of spacing to accommodate large bowl, small bowl, utensil, dish, and plates of varying size on the bottom shelf. te top shelf jiven tout short et item suche à glace, mug, jar, en long ustensile suche à spatula en steering spoon. Donc rote dish. Fil yourdik chouachetili full buno kramed. Yul maximist cleaning capacity of your dishwasher en minimise excessive water usage. Add de deterge. Filtre de deterge dispensé with your preferred clancé, liquide, podé, or capsule, en closed tube. You can add extra clancé in a secondary cup should your dish be excessively filthy. Add rinsing agent to prevent spotting, if necessary. Turniton. Set time a necessary, a short et team for lightly swallowed dish, or a longe team for heavily swallowed pan, en dish. Dry dish. You can use heated dry, bub careful of plastic dish or container, or user drying. Dish will stay dry relatively quickly, a dishwasher water usually heated to 140° F, 60° C. Wash cast iron pot en pan. Washing cast iron pot en pan requiert a different method. You want to develop a patina, or a catofol, on the surface of the pan. Washing the pan with detergent water will prevent a patina from developing. Fill the pan with enough water to almost fill the pot. Place the pan on a burner, turn the heat to medium, en cove. Wait until the water in the pan is boiling. With an iron spatula, scrape the food from the bottom and side of the pan. Dump the bilge water out and put the pan back on the burner, turned on to low. Quickly wipe off any remaining water on the bottom of the pan with a paper towel, ben careful not to burn yourself. Turn off burner. Cut the bottom and side of cast iron pan with a tank of oil, preferably en oil spray, and wipe off excess oil with a paper towel.